Let's start. If the length of a diagonal of a cube is square root of 12 centimeter, then the volume of the cube is. If the length of a diagonal of a cube is square root of 12 centimeter, then the volume of the cube is. Now diagonal of any cube is equal to cube root of square root of 3 into x. X is the side. Now this is very easy to derive. You can derive it x, x and x. So just add and square root of x square plus x square plus x square, and then you get root 3x. So diagonal is root 3 into x. So root 3 into a, we take it over here. Root 3 into a equals to 12 centimeter. That is what is given. So a is what? Root of 12. Root 3a equals to root 12. So root a equals to root of 12 upon root 3. So this becomes 12 upon 3 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So a equals to 2. Side we get it as 2. Now once side is got, then cube is what? A cube, side cube. 2 cube equals to 8. So that's the required answer.